Select Financial Accounting to view related options and manage financial records. Select Voucher under the Financial Accounting menu to manage voucher details. Use the search field to find specific menus or forms within FreightZen. You can select the menu item from left menu or can search the menu item directly from top search. Click the plus icon to create a new finance document entry. Choose FI Purchase Voucher from the Document Type drop-down menu to begin the financial document entry process. Choose the appropriate branch from the drop-down menu to proceed with the finance document entry. Enter the document date as 06/07/2026 in the provided field. Set the due date to 06/07/2026 in the designated field. Choose a customer from the drop-down list in the Party section to proceed with document entry. Choose IDR from the Currency drop-down to set the financial document currency. Enter the exchange rate value in the provided field next to the currency. Input the reference No in the provided field. Enter the reference date in the format DYYY. Choose an account from the drop-down, whatever account you want to hit. Fill in the description for the financial transaction. Input the quantity for low extra payment by typing the appropriate numerical value in the QD field. Enter the rate value for the transaction in the provided field to complete the detail lines. Choose your required tax applicable for the TRX from the drop-down list to apply the specific V8 rate. Enter the line narration into the provided field. Click Add Line to include a new entry in the finance document. Click the Save icon to store your current document. Click Yes to save the record. Check the finance voucher details in the designated field. This is blank, means voucher still in draft mode. Once voucher issued, financial entry will be posted. Click the Issue Post button to submit the current finance voucher for processing. Select Voucher Inquiry from the Financial Accounting menu to review or manage voucher details. Click View to access detailed information for the selected voucher entry. Evaluate the listed accounts and subledgers. Note the currency and exchange rate for each. Check foreign and local currency debits and credits, ensuring AR control account, INC, LOLO export, and taxes payable, VAT out are accurate.